how to create any website shortcut on the desktop or in the taskbar here. As you can see, I have created a shortcut. If you want to create like this in YouTube or any other website, so in this video I will show you. Now first of all, you need to open your browser. Now in the browser, as you can see, if you need to create eBay website on shortcut on the desktop or in the taskbar, simply come here in the three dots, and then you need to scroll down a little bit and until you see here cast, save and share. So if you click on that, there are several ways that you can create. Now the first method is create shortcut, and other method is install page as a app. So that means if you click on install page as a website, so as you can see, if I open YouTube, so it will open separately without tab. So it will open completely different private tab. So if I create this one, shortcut, create shortcut, and click on create, and then you will see here we have a shortcut, but it will open in the Google Chrome in a new tab every time. So this is how you can easily create shortcuts. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Over. How to check Windows 11 version in laptop or PC. If you want to check what is the version you are using, so here is the video. Now first of all, you need to come here in the start menu, right click on that, then click on run. Now type here VIN, hit enter, sorry, WIN, win version, short nickname of that, and here you can see what is the build number and what is the version number of Windows 11 we are choosing. You can see 24H2 and build number is this one. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobile YouTube channel.